Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your LearnWorlds account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add another school into your LearnWorlds account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add another school into your LearnWorlds anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you sometimes have different types of audiences, so you want to create a separate school because it's not related in any way. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your LearnWorlds dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my LearnWorlds account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add another school, what you're going to do is here on the left menu, you're going to hover over My Account. All right, once you do that, you're going to see a pop-up menu, and you want to go ahead and click on Create New School. It's up here at the top. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the Manage Schools section. So you can see I have this school right here with a course about, let's say, cooking. So this is about cooking Chinese food, Mexican food, Italian food. But let's say that I have another audience that is focused just on business or making money online. So those two schools are not really related. So maybe I have a cooking channel on YouTube, and that's who I'm going to sell those courses to, or that school to. And then I have another YouTube channel that talks about business. I can go ahead and create a school for that audience. So I'm going to click here, Create New School, or you can click here on the turquoise buttons. Either way, it's going to bring you to the same place. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up here on the right. So it's basically a setup from the beginning, like what you did for this particular school. So go ahead and give it a school name. So let's say Cooking from Around the World. Okay, and here we can go ahead and give it a school domain. You can go ahead and just copy this and paste it in if you want, and then see if it's available. Okay, so I have to remove these spaces. Okay, so next you want to click on Create School. Okay, next they're letting me know that I'm going to start a 30-day free trial for this different school. So if you have a paid plan like I do for this particular school, each school is going to be a different membership. So if you want to have the upgrade on one school and not the other, that's really going to be up to you, but you're probably going to end up updating and upgrading on both schools because you're going to get access to more features. But I'm going to click Create Trial. Okay, next it's asking me to choose a template. I'm just going to choose any one of these. You can choose whichever one fits your brand, and then you want to answer these few questions. Okay, and I'm going to click on Finish and close this out. Okay, so now we have created a new school inside of our LearnWorlds. So now we can go ahead and start adding in courses, building out the website, adding in users right here. Now, if you want to switch between schools, all you're going to do is just hover over My Account down here on the bottom left. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see both of your schools or all of your schools right here, so you can switch in between them. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add another school into your LearnWorlds account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.